If your paycheck disappeared tomorrow, could you make it 30 days? Over half of all Americans say they couldn't cover a month's worth of expenses without income. One surprise bill, one late paycheck, and you could be facing high interest debt and very tough choices. The key is having a reserve you can reach without wrecking your savings, whether it's in cash, assets, or a mix that fits your situation. So in this video, you'll learn why living paycheck to paycheck is riskier than you think. We'll cover the 4 levels of financial resilience from 30 days to 6+ months, how Bitcoin fits into your safety net as a liquid, borrowable reserve, and a 6-step process to start building your reserve today, even if you've never bought Bitcoin before. Picture this. Today, you've got zero buffer, you're stressed, and every emergency forces you into bad, expensive choices. Now, think about the future. Same person, but you're calm, you're confident, and you're able to handle 30, 60, even 180 days without income. So what's the difference? What's the bridge between these two scenarios? It's a simple step-by-step plan to start accumulating Bitcoin as a reserve asset. And that's exactly what we're going to be building together today. I want you to think about your financial resilience a bit like a pyramid. At the base is 30 days of resilience. This should be enough to cover rent, food, and bills for at least a month. Above that, 60 days of resilience. This will give you breathing room if you need to change jobs or recover from a health issue. Then there's 90 days of resilience. Now you've got the flexibility to make bigger life changes without panic. And at the top, 180 days of more of resilience. This is the ability to pivot strategically instead of reactively. You don't have to climb to the top right away. The goal is simple. Just move up one layer at a time. And you can do this by consistently and patiently acquiring Bitcoin on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. And because Bitcoin can be borrowed against without selling, your savings, your assets stay intact while still being accessible. So now let's cover a step-by-step plan for how exactly you can start today. Step 1, assess your current runway. How many days could you last right now? And be honest with yourself. This is what you need to know to begin to assess what your plan can and should be. Step 2, set your first target. Make it realistic. For most people, 30 days is a great starting point. Step 3, open a Bitcoin-friendly account or wallet that's secure and easy to use. Step 4, automate small contributions, daily, weekly, or monthly. Even $20 a week builds up over time. Step 5, track your progress in days of survivability, not just the dollar value of assets. This will give you real confidence and a real measure of the resiliency that you're building up. And then step 6, if you ever need to tap into your reserve, use borrowing as a last resort for true emergencies and not for lifestyle upgrades. So if there's one thing to take away from this video, it's this. Financial resilience is built in days, not dollars. Start by accumulating enough BTC to survive 30 days and keep building from there. Go to Salt Lending for free resources, tools, and strategies so you can get started now and on the path to building your financial resilience.